name is Biza, and I'm here with
John from Barcelona.
John from Barcelona. Wow, that's my club. So, in summary, how's your experience coming all the way from Barcelona to witness the culture and tradition of Akwa Ibom State, Nigeria, in Xmas Park?
I mean, we just arrived 1 hour ago and we're thrilled with what is going on. We love culture. We came here to Nigeria to see the culture, and here we've seen an explosion of culture, of Ibibio culture. We're so happy. Thank you.
Wow, I saw you shaking your body to the drummings of those traditional ways.
We've been abdued by the culture.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Our heart will remain here. I'm telling
Wow,
you.
this warms my heart that your heart will remain here. That's nice. Oh, we're so glad. We the Akwa Ibom people are so glad to have you. Nigeria is a very place. Akwa Ibom State is the best place, the cleanest state of all. So once again, thank you so much for having us.
No
We're
problem.
glad to have you. Name, right? John.
John from Barcelona.
All right, from Barcelona. I am from